Hi guys, welcome to our video today. Thank you for all the blessings that you shared to me, especially to all my super chatters and members. Ayan. I'm gonna flex your names in there.
And also for the cash donation, thank you so much.
Thank you. I really appreciate it all. So, let's just do some quick update of our hairy arm feet. Okay. Wanting to show it because everyone is asking where is my daily update now. So this is our daily update. Update up today. It's not so I'm gonna show you my update. Wala akong holder guys, so dyan lang muna ganyan. Hold on. So, wala yun. Okay, that's it. Hindi makita update natin. Shout out pala sa lahat ng viewers. Thank you so much. Update of our armpit. This is really a hairy armpit. And the other one. See, it's nice. It's growing so fast. growing. See that one? Thank you for watching, guys.